Okay, so this is bird log 7, and this is exactly where I was last night at about 4 o'clock, 4:15 when I entered the park. And so where I'm looking at right here last night, there were two birds of the same species who were calling to each other. And then just across the way, there were two more of the same species doing the same kind of mojo. And then over here in this area were birds. There was one bird of the exact same species again doing his thing over there. But the calls were all the same. It was just clear that if you listen to the different songs, you could hear it. So I'm going to shut up for a little bit here and record some sounds because I hear one call right now so far. So it's this tree right here, and I only hear one song, so I'm going to call it one bird for this area for right now, and end bird log 7, and I'll move further into the park where I think I hear significantly more sounds.